Here in the potato belt of northwestern New Brunswick, Canada, we always plant our potatoes in May. Brian from Next Level Gardening suggested planting them in the fall. He theorized that even here in the north, if we plant them deep enough and mulch them well enough, they will survive our cold, severe winters. Well, we are about to find out.
Hello, this is Stephen from Short Season Garden, and I offer tips and tricks for gardening in any climate, but especially for short seasons like here in Zone 3 in Eastern Canada. So give my video a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, or you can check me out on Instagram or Facebook at Short Season Garden. So it's the 18th of May and my soil is barely above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I pulled a stunt last fall that local potato experts would laugh at. A well-known gardener from California, Brian from Next Level Gardening, suggested that you could plant potatoes in the fall in any climate. If you buried them deep enough, they would survive the winter and sprout in the spring. So I tried it. Nothing to lose, so I used a shovel, dug 8 inches deep. I only planted 2 potatoes. I covered them with some shredded leaves and then an old row cover. I took the cover off this spring. Still no sign of anything, but I saved some of my there's russet Burbank potatoes. Had some left. They survived the winter. Got some sprouts on them. I've had them under lights in my basement for the last little while. So we're going to plant the rest of them. I only saved, I guess, about 6, and some of them are smaller than the ones I planted last fall. In the fall I thought I should plant some bigger ones and get some sprouts, and I'm going to plant them and see how they do and compare them to what I planted last fall. It's been a cold spring, so we still don't have real good conditions. Soil is still pretty damp. All right, so we're going to plant 6. That we had last fall. Now I've purchased some fresh from Bessie Seeds, some more, and we're going to plant them as well. They're also russet Burbank. Okay, so I've got 2 that I planted last fall, 6 this spring, and the rest is new seed that I purchased. Okay, I'm going to get my hoe and just shallowly cover these. And it's going to be interesting to see how they compare. Okay, so keep following Short Season Garden through the summer and see how we make out with this potato experiment in Eastern Canada in Zone 3B, Zone 4A.
In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, maybe a comment, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.